Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my February monthly view in my pocket-sized Webster's Pages Buffalo Plaid from the Traveller's Notebook online. I'm a little bit behind this month because of exams. I have just finished, yesterday was my last exam, so I'm getting ready to plan. It's already, I think, the second week of February now, but I am going to plan out the rest of the month anyway, and I'm going to be using my sticker book from Kaisercraft. This is the Dusk sticker book. It's full of beautiful gold foil accents, and there's lots of really beautiful stickers in here, so I thought it was nice, a nice choice for February. There's lots of sort of hearts, and it's kind of moody and romantic, I feel like. So I have my little one here too. She's kind of cranky today, so I have a helper. You may have noticed I've added this beautiful glitter bow charm from Little Tabby Co to the front of my planner. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful and glittery. I have so many of these, it was hard to choose, but I think the pink with the black and white is really nice. I do have coupon codes for both the Traveller's Notebook online and Little Tabby Co. Check the description box for those codes and the links to their stores. They're both gorgeous, lovely store owners with lots of beautiful things for your planner. So I still haven't fully set this up yet. That will probably be one of my very next videos that I do. I've got quite a few things that I want to stuff in this little baby. But I'm really loving planning in this so far. So as usual, I'm going to speed through to music, but I will leave the store names down the bottom here in the corner like I always do every time I use something, so you can find everything easily. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.